Hey, hi, hello, and welcome to another episode of Artist Glamorous channel. I'm very excited for this video because there are a lot of compliments. Who is the one who doesn't love compliments? There are a lot of compliments coming on my handwriting. From childhood, I love calligraphies, and I have been a really proud one. It's not that my handwriting is the best or something, but yeah, it's a decent one, but not good at all. But you people has liked it a lot, so I thought of making this video. I have given a lot of compliments on this, so I'll show you how I write. Basically how I learned it, I don't know, because I learned my ABCD with my granny and she taught me how to write it, so maybe that is the way how I get my handwriting. Else I love doing calligraphies. I love bigger calligraphies, though I write a lot in the organizing sectors of any organizing way of any occasions that occurs, programs that used to occur in my school, the bulletin boards, the wall magazines. Every time the teacher used to call me out for writing at the calligraphy. So I love playing with colors, playing with handwriting, playing with the styles they have. So I have also made videos on painting, sketchings, and also mainly the doodling ones, 10 motivational exam doodles which I have made myself. So you with the motivational quotes too, which you can actually make in a bigger size of paper and hang it on the wall, stick it on the wall to make it visible and make it look bright. So if you're interested to make something like this or see something like this that I really love of doing, then you can check that 10 motivational doodles that I made. The link will be given in the I button above, so you can check that out. It might be or might not be given in the description box below, then you can check our channel also. So yeah, that is how I love calligraphies, I love writing, and I love my way of writing. So I'll show you today how I write in simple ways, nothing so much, but this has been a really long requested video on the channel, so stay connected. And just back a day I did a video on the to-do list, how to make to-do list. That was also a requested video. If you are interested to see that without spending a lot of money, then you can check that out. It might be given in the I button, or you can check our channel playlist. So yeah, let's get started. felt it a little helpful, then please hit on the like button that encourages us to make new videos and bring valuable content for you. Do share it with all your friends or comment us below your opinion regarding this video or any other video contents you wanted asked to. Do subscribe to our channel, click the red subscribe button, and also on the all notification on the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our videos. So stay connected with us, click the bell icon beside it to get all the notifications. So for today, stay blessed, stay happy, and bye. Giveaway alert is already given on the channel, so if you haven't seen that, the rules and regulations, so you can click on the I button somewhere up here to get the rules details of this second giveaway.